अध्यात्म विश्व विज्ञान यूट्यूब चैनल के सभी प्रेमी पाठकों का इस अंक में हार्दिक स्वागत है। आइए सर्वांग योग का अंग्रेजी अनुवाद आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत करते हैं और इसके लेखक श्री D.Y. मार्डीकर। ओम तत्सत। भगवान श्री मायानंद चैतन्य, बर्थ 5 नवंबर 1868, कार्तिक कृष्ण 5, विक्रम संवत 1925, प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ उमरी विलेज नियर ग्वालियर, मध्य प्रदेश। एजुकेशन लैंग्वेजेस हिंदी, संस्कृत, अरेबिक, फारसी, श्रुति स्मृति शास्त्र, पुराण डिटेल्ड स्टडी, आल्सो कुरान, बाइबल एक्सेट्रा स्टडी। प्रोफेशन फोटोग्राफर, proprietor of Desai Art and Printing Press, Gwalior, established in 1892. Nirvana 1934, 5th March, Phalgun Krishna 4, Vikram Samvat 1990, at Vigyan Shala, Omkar Mandhata, Madhya Pradesh. Sarvang Yoga by Bhagwan Shri Mayanand Chaitanya, English version by D.Y. Mardiker. An eternal message of World Federation. This translation of Sarvang Yoga into English, written by Bhagwan Shri Mayanand Chaitanya in Marathi and Hindi, is excerpts from the appendix of book Divine Vision by late D.Y. Mardiker, published in 1950. Published by D.Y. भाऊ साहेब मार्डीकर, अध्ययन केंद्र 152 तात्या टोपे नगर, नागपुर 440015, महाराष्ट्र. Printed by स्वस्तिक एंटरप्राइजेस, 13 सुरेंद्र नगर, WHC रोड, नागपुर 15. To facilitate this booklet's universal mission, right of print, publish and distribute free is open to all. सर्वांग योगा. इस ग्रंथ में श्री D.Y. मार्डीकर जी ने प्रास्ताविक किया है जो अत्यंत उद्बोधक और हमें विषय की संपूर्ण जानकारी देने वाला है। आइए D.Y. मार्डीकर सर्वांग योग और सर्वांग योग के अंग्रेजी अनुवाद करने के प्रयास के विषय में आचार्य मार्डीकर क्या कहते हैं, आइए जानें। फॉरवर्ड. इन द प्रेजेंट डे वर्ल्ड, ह्यूमैनिटी सीम्स टू बी beset with a number of complex problems and a number of isms and ideologies are being put forth to resolve them. It is self-evident that every human being, or for the matter of that every living culture, is prompted by natural, irrepressible desire for lasting peace and happiness. But in the case of humanity, it is clearly observed that in spite of indefatigable efforts in various directions, social, economic, political, moral, religious, etc., the objective is not being achieved. A sense of frustration and loss of faith is developing fast everywhere. Lord Krishna has authoritatively stated that whenever such a loss of faith seizes humanity and frustration clouds the right path, the supreme divinity incarnate manifests itself in human form to dispel and ignorance and enlighten the right path by treading which humanity does and can achieve lasting peace, happiness, and prosperity. The state of frustration arises from general ignorance and self forgetfulness about the ultimate reality, which none exists universally as one without a second. As human life is wholly part and parcel of this universal existence, it is primarily essential to have truly the whole vision of this. This vision by which this perception and understanding is undoubtedly imparted is termed as divine vision or divya drishti. There is no other way to achieve this objective. Lord Krishna imparted the divine vision to Arjun on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. When the latter got confused in understanding his real natural duty and was inclined to forsake the battlefield, and thus dispelled his ignorance and firmly fixed him in his natural duty. A similar confused state of understanding is commonly noticed everywhere in present times. Therefore, the supreme divinity which manifested in the form of Lord Krishna manifested again in the present times in India in the human form of Bhagwan Shri Mayananda Chaitanya Ji, the real Buddha avatar, the ninth incarnation. He has revealed the same supreme, infallible, and the only method which has been long foreign during the course of time, by which divine vision is really acquired and thereby God's universal existence is automatically realized. He has systematically revealed the method in the Sarvanga Yoga, written by himself in Hindi and Marathi languages, in the own inimitable and authoritative style. In his own lifetime, he publicly imparted divine vision to a great many people, and the work is being incessantly carried forward by the ablest of the followers. Unless and until ignorance is dispelled and divine light dawns and men in common stand up firmly on their true natural duties, no lasting peace can ever reign on the earth. On earth, this is the eternal voice flowing from eternal wisdom of divine language, divine knowledge and language. There is absolutely no mystery or miracle or intimidation in this utterance. Being forward, being favored with the divine vision, I have tried in my own humble way to render Sarvanga Yoga in English language. In the spirit of sincere and dispassionate service to English, knowing humanity which is my own true self in universal relationship, it is hoped that this will receive necessary appreciation and response in due course of time in common interests of humanity as a whole. As language, however well expressive it may be, has its own limitations. Direct personal contact will be highly beneficial and positively helpful in dispelling various doubts which may arise. For this purpose, an Academy of Vigyan Shala, has been established at Omkar Mandhata, Madhya Pradesh, India by Bhagwan Shri Mayananda Chaitanya since 1923, with due obedience to the Lord Preceptor, without whose divine favor even this humble service could not be possible, and kind advice to the readers of give serious and careful thought to the subject, and also thanks to the self-enlightened personalities who gave necessary encouragement to me in this highly responsible task. I close. D.Y. मार्डीकर। मित्रों, श्री मार्डीकर जी ने इस सर्वांग योग को कैसे पढ़ना है, कैसे इसका मनन चिंतन करना है, इसका भी निर्देशन किया। सर्वांग योग क्या है, इसके विषय में भी इस प्रास्ताविक में अपना निवेदन प्रस्तुत किया है। आइए अगले अंक में हम सर्वांग योग को अंग्रेजी में जानेंगे। नर्मदे हर सद्गुरु भगवान।